Hi there, accounting firm partners. Jay Gabrani here. Thanks very much for joining me on this page. Listen, whether you were referred to this page by someone else or you were directly contacted by me, I do welcome you, and I do know that your time is valuable, so I'm going to keep this relatively brief. Listen, in today's world, given the economic uncertainty, given all of the questions that your clients are asking you outside of the normal accounting, audit, and tax realms, I thought it would be a good idea to gather opinions, feedback, and information from accounting firm partners about what their biggest challenges are when it comes to utilizing the internet to help them solve many of today's business building problems. So what I did was I went and researched, interviewed many accounting partners over the last 3 months or so, and what that research has led to is a report. That report is called Accounting Partner Success Secrets, and it is a contrarian field guide which helps accounting firm partners leverage the internet within their business. Now, what are some of the advantages of potentially leveraging the internet for you, an accounting firm partner? Well, first, there's certainly an increase in marketability of your services just in your local area or to your niche. Secondly, there is better year-over-year growth. And thirdly, if the business model is set up properly, then you yourself, the accounting firm partner, will be allowed to work fewer hours. I know that that's a little bit of a shocking concept, but it's something that, I do think that a lot of partners are struggling with that work-life balance. So if you would like to download this report, I'll ask you to do one thing. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see what's called a opt-in box. And within that opt-in box are two separate boxes. The first one says first name, if you just enter your first name there. And the second one asks you for your preferred email address. Now, accounting firm partners, basically I split up your time into two separate components. One is the time where you spend working in your business, client engagements, dealing with your staff, dealing with your team. And the other one is working on your business, which is basically you maybe sitting with your partners and figuring out what the 6-month direction, the 1-year direction, the 3-year direction is of your accounting firm. So wherever it is that you spend most of this working on your business time, that's the email address which I'll ask for you to input there. Why is that? Well, this is the type of report where if you were able to read it, maybe print it out, read it with 0 interruptions, with your cell phone turned off, in a quiet place, maybe with your journal or with a highlighter so that you can record some useful ideas and how your firm can benefit, then I think that's when you'll get the most out of this report. And at the end of the report, basically, I have asked, there's 2 areas where if you want to ask questions, there's 2 simple web pages which I've given addresses to. The report here is free of charge, and like I said, at a very minimum, because I know your time is valuable, I've tried to pack that report with really useful content and to make sure that it is worth your time. And having said that, I'll just leave you with one last note, is when I wrote the UFI in 1995 and ultimately found out my results that I had passed in December of that same year, yes, I was very happy and I figured that my life path had been set. But as you'll find in the report, I also have a couple of stories and updates on where my life is taken. I totally went down a different path from the most traditional CAs. So I should let you know that any contact with me, whether it be through video, whether it be through reports, you will find 0 accounting, 0 audit, and 0 tax advice. My goal is pretty simple. It is to help accounting firm partners leverage the internet so that they can grow their business, so they can grow their income and they can work fewer hours. So that would be about it. Once again, on the right-hand side is the opt-in box. If you leave your name and preferred email address, we'll be talking to you soon. Thanks very much for your time. Jay Gabrani signing off. Take care.